that you were here, but you're not yet far away. I hope to see you soon, oh dear lover. I'm shaking, I'm in fear. I think that I'm just overthinking. I obsess your every move, oh dear lover. The space is probably good. I'm glad that you can tell me what you need me to do, oh dear lover. I know I sound uneasy, I worry I'm too much, and you won't want to resume, oh dear lover. I'm writing to express this way that I've been feeling, Lord, I really wish you knew, oh dear lover. I won't give in